Hello, I'm Jamila Nyago,
I'm Jenna Basig.
and we are the owner of Jamazing Prints. Before mag-start kami sa garments business, I'm working as an audit associate sa isang auditing firm. Pandemic happened, so nagkaroon kami ng idea to start garments business. It was COVID-19 2021. We started lang by buying and selling Taytay Tiangge items dito sa area namin. Walang makalabas ng bahay nila to go shopping. Ang ginawa namin, nag-resell kami sa mga kapitbahay namin. We focused on Facebook lang muna, then Shopee. Nag-buy and sell kami with an initial investment lang na 6,000 pesos. Hanggang sa lumaki yung pera, naging 18,000. And then we started na mag-manufacture ng sarili naming damit. Ang una naming na-produce na item is a jogger pants and jogger shorts.
Since malapit na rin yung summer, nakita namin na yung mga summer league basketball, mga interbarkada, may mga volleyball na rin and ML, makikater na namin sila. Pwede nang kami yung lapitan nila para magpagawa sila ng uniforms. Other than that, yung iba pang organizations.
Number one is, do we have the proper facility? Kasi with our current area, dun sa operation area namin, nakita namin na, oh my God, hindi pala pwede kasi walang electric requirement. Second, we really studied kung ano ba yung mga kailangan kapag nag-sublimations ka. Do we have current suppliers sa mga fabric requirements, sa ink, etc., etc. And syempre, saan ba kami bibili ng machine? So we did a research and napuntahan namin ng print biz, kaya sa kanila kami bumili ng machine.
Another thing is skill. Do we have the skill? So luckily, yung print biz ay nagbibigay ng training nakasama sa package ng mga machine na binebenta nila. So thank you.
We really don't have an idea kung paano ba sisimulan yung sublimation business. We know na it's a good market, pero hindi talaga namin alam kung paano. Doon pumasok kung gaano kami grateful din with the print biz na tinuruan nila talaga kami kung paano from the first process hanggang sa lahat na maging damit na yung sublimation.
Theoretically, may background na kami, pero yung hands-on experience ay wala pa. So, thank you for giving that experience. We bought the Epson SureColor F6430 sa PrintBiz. While doing the tour, nakita namin yung advantage niya compared sa ibang printer. Yung kulay niya ay napakaganda, buhay na buhay ang kulay. Mabilis siya mag-print, efficient siya sa pagdating sa work.
Pag with Epson, kung ano yung nakikita mo na color doon sa screen ng computer, is yun na lang din talaga ang mapiprint na actual color. Gusto namin yung highest quality yung mabibigay namin sa mga consumers namin. I'm excited ma-print na gusto kong makita yung whole process.
Ako, excited ako na. Or yung bawat isang creativity ay may lalabas na ngayon sa pamamagitan ng sublimation. More of customized kasi ang subli, di ba?
Ginugoal namin na after 6 months, we can be able to buy an embroidery machine. Second, after maybe a year, we will able to purchase another machine na bigger pa dun sa Epson SureColor. Malawak talaga yung gusto naming expansion for this business.
Dream ko na mas makapag-expand sa ibang locations.
What motivates me is the people around the business. For us, we can't just fail na hindi lang kami yung maapektuhan kapag hindi namin inayos yung patakbo ng negosyo. Kasi currently, we have 30 employees na nagtatrabaho sa Jamazing. Of course, we also wanted them to have sure and secure employment. We always say this sa core team namin na hindi tayo pwedeng mag-fail. Kasi first, ang dami na nating capital. Second, yung mga tao na nakatuon dun sa negosyo, sila yung pinakang-importante din.
Talagang gano'n namin pinapahalagaan yung mga tao na nasa likod ng Jamazing.
Just start. At the beginning of the business, when you're starting a business, hindi mo naman kailangan ng malaking pera. Again, I started Jamazing with 6,000 pesos lang. Along the way, I failed, I learned, and I pushed through na kaya lagi. More than yung diskarte, dapat marunong din tayo mag-research kung paano ba pasukin yung mga negosyo. Meron naman ng ChatGPT, Google, it's easier for everyone matutunan ba kung paano magnegosyo.
Huwag ka matakot mag-start ng negosyo. May kasabihan nga na kung ang pinaka-the best na panahon na magtanim ng puno ay nung isang taon, ang second best ay ngayon. So start the business now.
I wanna thank my family. I'm very thankful sa mga taong naniniwala na we could do this. Yung core team namin, my employees,
Ganun din. Sa mga tao, syempre, sumuporta.
sa mga customers namin, syempre, we will not be able to have this and be able to expand our business without you trusting us, without you trusting our brand and business.
I would like to thank the PrintBiz. Talagang grabe yung support nila and guidance. Before ma-purchase yung item, hanggang sa ma-purchase, talagang nandiyan sila nakasuporta. Maraming salamat.
And for me, thank you PrintBiz kasi sobrang dami talaga namin tanong since we don't have an idea kung ano ba yung sublimation business. But more than that siguro, I'm very thankful kasi yung payment terms is small business friendly. So they offer different schemes para makapag-start ka talaga ng negosyo. Thank you so much, PrintBiz. If you're looking for sublimation prints,
Jersey uniforms.
t-shirts, and any customized uniforms,
Just follow us on Jamazing Prints.
in Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and any social media accounts.